In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana Workload to balance team capacity. Let's start by opening Asana and heading to the area where capacity becomes clear. If you organize work through portfolios, open the relevant portfolio and switch to the workload view. If your team uses a team workspace, open that team and select the workload tab. This is where you'll see a timeline of who's doing what and when, along with a quick visual of how busy each person is. Next, add the projects or team members you want to track. In a portfolio, include the projects that feed into your team's week. In a team workload view, make sure the right people are visible so you're seeing the full picture. Keep the scope focused at first, just the projects and teammates that affect your immediate planning so the view remains easy to interpret. Now review each person's assigned tasks and capacity. Capacity might be shown as hours, points, or task counts depending on your setup. Scan the timeline by week or by day and open tasks to confirm effort, due dates, and any relevant context. If your team tracks time off or reduced availability, factor that in so capacity reflects reality rather than assumptions. As you scan, look for people who are overloaded or underused. Overload often appears as capacity bars exceeding the limit, clusters of high effort tasks on the same days, or too many deadlines converging at week's end. Underuse shows up as empty space or consistently low allocations. Your goal is an even spread of work that keeps delivery predictable without burning people out. When you spot imbalances, reassign tasks or adjust deadlines as needed. You can move a task to a teammate with room or shift a due date to space out the workload. Aim to keep related tasks in a sensible order and watch for dependencies so changes don't create new bottlenecks. When rescheduling, give tasks buffer time for reviews and handoffs and align due dates with working hours rather than weekends. Finally, check workload regularly to balance team capacity. A weekly cadence works well. Scan the upcoming 2 to 3 weeks, make small adjustments early, and revisit after major changes in scope. Consistency helps you catch issues before they escalate, builds trust in your timelines, and creates a healthier, more sustainable pace for the team. That's the core workflow. Open workload, add the right projects or people, review capacity, spot imbalances, rebalance by reassigning or adjusting dates, and keep coming back to it. Follow this rhythm and you'll keep projects moving while protecting team focus.